My cat gets bored easily, and when he's bored, he will chew on just about anything. The problem in our household is I have 2 kids, plastic gets left out, and my cat will chew on that. So I just was gifted these chew sticks, and I'm really hoping that my cat's gonna love these, and these will be a great distraction for him. What is great about these is that they are teeth cleaning, mood soothing, and they are definitely designed for self-entertainment. Let's check them out and put them to the test. Now you get 3 long chews. They come in a resealable bag, and there is catnip in the bag. So they recommend you keep them in the bag when not in use, as that will really help give them that little bit of catnip scent. And then each one is really nice and wiggly, great playful design. And while it says it has gall fruit in it, I'm not actually sure what that is. To me, this looks just like a cotton rope, and it has this great kind of squishiness to it, so it'll be fun to chew on. It has the little playful ends, and you can definitely spin it around and play with it. Let me see what my cat thinks. Well, my cat definitely loves it. I think this is a proven success. He will walk away and come back to it, but he keeps grabbing onto it and chewing and biting and doing exactly what I hoped he would. So I think these cat chew ropes are going to be a good distraction for him, and I definitely recommend giving these a try. Even if your cat still gets distracted and plays with other things, this is one playful toy. The cat chew ropes from Potaroma.